The MemorialCare Medical Foundation is the management services organization for our MemorialCare Medical Group and our Greater Newport Physicians IPA. So when we approached Sutter Physician Services, we were looking for a call center that would really help us to achieve our vision and our goal of providing amazing access and amazing customer service. And we were looking for a company that would be able to scale up very quickly, be flexible, and allow us to grow and add call services very easily. And Sutter met that criteria.
I remember having the opportunity to listen in on some calls with patient service representatives and was really impressed by just their caring and respectful manner. Despite being hundreds of miles away from the clinics that they were answering calls for, you really couldn't tell just because of their warm approach and knowledge of the clinics that they were serving.
It's a big change for the physicians, and having the physicians involved in designing the protocols and looking at the workflows really was very helpful in the implementation.
When we started this process, we didn't quite realize how many workflows we had. When you have to put them down on paper, it's definitely a process. We literally took every single type of scheduling item that we had and we broke it down. We wanted to make sure that our patients were going to get the same type of care they got when we took the phone calls, but Sutter was able to put it out into this workflow process that literally hit on every aspect of scheduling our appointment. They were able to provide that patient experience that we had been looking for.
During the early stages of planning, we actually established several metrics to measure success. They include metrics that look at speed of answering a call and patient satisfaction scores. But ultimately, we know that we're successful not just by reaching the benchmarks that we've set with the metrics, but when our patients are receiving the right care at the right time and they're having a positive experience at every touch point.
We're truly a partnership. We have the same goals, the same values, really putting the patient in the center and making sure they have, again, extraordinary care every time.
In the end, it takes a team to care for a community, and having a reliable support staff and group around us, it's crucial for the work that we're trying to do.
Sutter Physician Services really exceeded our expectations. Putting a new call center in place can be a challenging event, and we spent a lot of time working with our physicians to make sure that our protocols were solid. Really reassured us that it would be a good implementation, and it went really smoothly. The transition from our existing call center to the SPS call center was almost a non-event, and that really exceeded my expectations.